Hello everyone, the next part IELTS speaking tips 3, how to use idiomatic expression while speaking. Using only one idiom in the cue card won't fetch you band score as desired. It must be used throughout the conversation while interacting in part 1, your introduction, and part 3, your follow-ups. Now let's learn the idioms to use for difficult task or skill today. You're supposed to talk about some difficult task, situation or skill that you must have faced in your life many of the times. So what can we do there? We can express the difficult, tedious task or the dilemma situation by using a number of idioms. Let us begin with the list of the idioms for expressing the difficult task, especially during the cue card. Let's begin. So the number 1 is the Herculean task. Number 2, a tough row to hoe. Number 3, in dire straits. Number 4, to have your back to the wall. Number 5, out of your depth. Number 6, going through a sticky patch or going through the mill. Number 7, to be caught between a rock and a hard place. So these idioms and idiomatic phrases can be used to express different situations where you are perplexed, in extreme difficulties, or find something difficult to learn, depending on the idioms you use. But be very particular before using according to the cue card, because all these idioms can be fitted according to your need and according to your sentences. So do subscribe the channel for more updates, watch the full video, like, share and subscribe for being a pro in speaking English. Thanks a lot. The usage of these idioms will be in the next video. So stay tuned and stay updated. Do subscribe the channel to learn